Okay, this video is chock full. A lot of organization, a lot of cleaning, some fun shopping in the snow, and of course I have a few beauty things to show you. I do want to say before I get started that this video is being sponsored by Thrive Market. More on that in a little bit. I'm pretty sure I have COVID. I've been sick for a week. Started last Tuesday. I took a test. It actually said no. We happen to have one here. So I'm not going to buy another one because in the end, I don't really care. But the reason why I think it's wrong is because I have zero taste and zero smell. And I've had none for like 3 days. I've had that only happen once before, and it was when I had COVID. So this is my 4th time getting this. I just don't feel very good. But I am on the other end of it, which is good. Here's my problem. Today is Tuesday. Friday, we're getting a new washer and dryer delivered. Ours died. Well, the washer died. I've never liked the dryer. The washer's been dying a slow death. It literally has been rusting from the top. It's horrible. Over the weekend, Doug put them in the garage. My whole goal this weekend was for me to clean the laundry room and organize it and all that. But again, I've been sick. I need to go in there, but I don't feel very good. So what I'm gonna do is just do it a little bit each day. And hopefully by Friday, the place will be completely organized and clean. I have 3 days. By the way, a fried egg when you have no taste or smell, no. Just no. So this is what we're dealing with right now. Beans is food, and his litter, which is right there, is in here. Eventually his litter is going to be down in the basement. I'm going to keep his food in here, and it'll be like somewhere in the corner there. Obviously a washer and dryer are going to be here. So I need to clear all this out, all this stuff in the cabinets, above the cabinets, and just go through everything and organize this. Okay, the first thing that needs to happen is this all needs to go away. Okay, that was so dumb. But it's taken care of. Now I need to take care of all of this and all of this. All right, it's empty. I think that's all I can do today. I'm very winded just from walking back and forth. But I moved Beans. He's wondering where everything went. Okay, I just had an idea. I would like him to be out of the laundry room completely because it's just dirty. His food's in there, la 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 la. I hate having it in there. And there's just not a lot of space. It's a very small room. I just put his food in the dining room right here. We don't use this room on a daily basis. Having his food be right here is out of the way, but not out of the way for him. Like, it's easy for him to get at. Then I could just keep it here. Then we don't have to cut another door because this door, the laundry room door, already has a cat door in it right there. This door fits this door entranceway. It fits the basement. So we could just switch doors and you would have a cat door going down to the basement. I like that idea. Okay, I am done for now. I am beat just from doing all that stuff. Our cat is not beat. So I'm gonna go rest. So while I'm in the midst of cleaning up the laundry room, one of the things I definitely want to swap out is our cleaning supplies, because a lot of my cleaning supplies are full of toxins and just things that are just obviously not healthy for us. One of the places that makes that so easy is Thrive Market, and they are sponsoring this portion of the video. And I just got my box. So I want to show you some of the swaps that I've made, and I have more to go, but these are the ones that I thought I would start with. So what is Thrive Market? It is an online membership-based grocery store that gets delivered to your door. So let me show you some of the things, and I'll start with the food. So I did get some organic brown rice. This is for those nights when I just want to get done quickly, but I also wanted to do it healthy. So I wanted to try this Jovial gluten-free penne. It's organic brown rice pasta. I've never eaten it before, so I'm excited to try this. And if we're going to eat a pasta, it's usually penne. Okay, my husband loves dark chocolate, and he has some pretty much every single night. So I thought I would get him these. I think it's called Hue, and I got it at a cheaper price on Thrive Market. So this is the salty dark chocolate. So I got 2 of them. So I've been taking collagen for so many years. So I thought I would try a new one. I've never tried this one. It's called Great Lakes Wellness. That's the brand. This is grass-fed bovine collagen peptides. So I'm excited to try this. I put it in my coffee every morning. Let me show you some of the swaps that I'm making more on the cleaning side. In a previous order, I bought this. This is from brand Rosie. This is a good cleaner. So I found out, that Thrive Market sells refills. So one of these, if you do half of it, it would fill the bottle and then you fill the rest with water. But I also found out that they have their own bottle. Obviously this is fine. I know, but I think this is cute. And then from now on, all I do is buy the packet and I'm using a lot less plastic. Okay, we've had one of these in our kitchen for a while. It looks like this. And it's fine still, but I'm going to make this one be in the laundry room for when I need to scrub something up, and I'm replacing this one in the kitchen. I've used Molly's Suds for laundry for a long time, and I wanted to get this. This is their laundry sheet. But now that we have our laundry room all organized, I'm kind of thinking I might want to switch to this. One sheet does a regular load of laundry. I've used dryer balls for quite some time, but I found out that dryer balls need to be replaced periodically. They need to be replaced about every 3 years. I think I've had mine at least 5. So it was time to replace them. But Molly's Suds sells them. I put all 3 in the dryer and it dries my clothes faster and it dries them with less wrinkles. Molly's Suds does not only do laundry, they also do dishwasher. And I got their dishwasher pod. So I'm excited to try this in my dishwasher. So that's all that I got in my order. And I saved this much, and this was a small order. So if you want to start a membership with Thrive Market, use my link and you will get 30% off your order plus a free gift. And on top of that, you get the savings every time you're purchasing something, because Thrive Market's goal is to make it so that you can purchase these things at a much more sustainable price. So thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring this portion of the video. So it's been like 4 days. I had to get some work done, edit a video. Oh my heart, I just did not have the strength either. We were supposed to get our washer and dryer delivered today. That is now not happening. It's going to be delivered next Thursday. So a little disappointed over that. We did not go with like Lowe's or something. We went through a local appliance center. We did it because we purchased Speed Queen. We had done a lot of research and found out that this one would last a lot longer than most. They cost way more, but if they last a lot longer, we're happy with that. So it's not like Lowe's where you go in and then the next day it's delivered. So it is what it is. The problem is we can't do laundry for another week. So I obviously have a lot more time to organize and clean. So my goal today is to get this 100% clean. I'm gonna have to take those things down because I think I actually want to wipe down the walls as well as just the floor and every surface. Okay, so here's a little cleaning hack for you. I'm all sweaty and gross, and yeah, I put this thing on for the little flyaways. But take a Swiffer, and I don't know if you guys remember my mom. She knits or crochets. I always forget. Somebody put it in the comments. What does she do? What is this? Is this knitting or crocheting? Or mom, you comment. She made a whole bunch of these for me. These are the best thing for scrubbing something because they have that just natural texture. I'm not a fan of using these for like food because the food gets caught, but for cleaning something, it's great. You just tuck them into the things here and you rinse it and you go. So I'm using this to clean all the walls. All right, it is clean. Now I need to go through all of this. Yep, that's my next job. Okay, I thought I would show you the finished product because we are done. Organized, clean. Our washer and dryer have come in. Oh my heart, I'm so excited. Okay, I know it's not going to be excited to you guys because it's not some major transformation, but it is clean and that's what matters. And it's organized. So here's our new washer and dryer. Like I said before, we got a Speed Queen. I've used it a couple times already, and so far I'm loving it. You're gonna notice these pads. We actually bought them on Amazon. I'll link them below. It's because we really wanted to not get scratched. It's very tight in here to walk through to the garage. So this actually sits on here most of the time. And then we put other stuff on here a lot. So it's kind of nice that I can wash this when I need to, and we don't ruin our washer and our dryers. So this is all laundry stuff. I have cleaning supplies in here. And as you can see, I have some swaps that I still need to do, which once I use things up, I will be switching to much more non-toxic cleaning supplies. But you can see I have a lot to use still. So that needs to happen as I go. And now no litter box, no food in here. And then I just have things organized and clean. This is my soap and my whitener. These are from Molly's Suds and I love them, but I am looking forward to switching out to laundry sheets. And I think I'm just gonna keep them in this container. I'll just wash it out and I can just open it and pull a sheet out. My new laundry balls, I'm excited to have new ones. Okay, I don't know if you're like me, but when I've organized something or cleaned it, I come back and just look at it. That's what I've been doing the last couple of days. I'll just walk in here and go, oh, it's clean. It's organized. It's like reveling in my work. And I'm just like, all is well, at least in my laundry room. I thought I would try two mascaras. They're both from L'Oreal. One is called the Telescopic and the other one is called the Extensionist. I'm gonna try one on each eye. They're both similar in the fact that their wands or their brushes are like the tiniest little things. That one is the telescopic one. I mean, that's so tiny. And this is the Extensionist. It's a tiny bit bigger. It looks like it'd be really good for lower lashes because it's such a small wand. But I thought, let's try it on the top. They are both waterproof. This one, the Extensionist, is bendable. My regulars will know this is not a favorite of mine. Oh, wow. Very clumpy. Oh my word, very wet and very clumpy. Oy, oy, oy. Let's get a spoolie out and clean things up. It just is so wet, it deposits way too much. That saved it. I wouldn't say that's my favorite thing to do. Let's try this telescopic on the left. This one's even smaller. Oh, looking in my close-up mirror, it's weird. The bristles are pink, and I can tell they're pink. That's weird that I can see that. That the mascara doesn't cover it all up, right? Is that weird? That's weird to me. Application-wise, this one's easier. Much easier. It didn't go on clumpy. I got a little on my lower. A little bit clumpy. Let's clean that up a little bit. I wouldn't say they're much longer. I don't know. Let me try a second coat with this one. I don't know how it has so much on it when there's hardly anything to pick it up. There's no bristles. It's doing better with the second coat as far as the clumpy factor. But it's not really going through it. Like it doesn't, I don't feel like the lashes can do anything because it's bending before it grabs it. Does that make sense? Let me do a second coat with this one. Now it's getting clumpy. Comparing the two, I feel like this one has thicker, like it's a more volumized, but I would not say either of them gave me really long lashes. I mean, they definitely look fine. Let me see how these are for the bottom. I don't do much on my bottom lashes. They're definitely keeping their curl. Okay, definitely did better than the telescopic. No, the telescopic did better than the Extensionist on the bottom. I definitely like the telescopic better than the Extensionist. It applied easier, it didn't clump as much, and it even looks better on the bottom lashes. So I will let you know if I remember to film at the end of the day. I always forget that. So I'll let you guys know, hopefully at the end of this video. So it's Saturday and we are, I don't know if you can tell, just starting a snowstorm. So it is literally not even 8 o'clock in the morning, which is not normal for us on a Saturday. And we are on our way to Walmart to do some grocery shopping. We don't normally shop at Walmart just because it's not as close, but we had a gift card, so we're trying to use it up. but we're hoping we get this done before it gets really bad. If there's snow coming, it's like the whole world just is like on alert. And it's very well known that if it's gonna snow, you have to go get bread, milk, and eggs. We're not sure why those, but you have to get those things. But we need those things anyways, so we just need to go grocery shopping. So hopefully we can get this done before it gets really bad out. Oh, it's snowing harder, but we're done. I'm gonna go home. Okay, we conquered, Doug. Okay, is it weird? I'm excited about my new broom. Look, it's got a comb to clean it. Yay! Don't forget to check out Thrive Market with my link below and get 30% off your first order plus a free gift. Thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Okay, so if you really love organization and cleaning, getting things decluttered, you're gonna love the vlog that I did before this one, because I do the same thing we did in our laundry room in our basement. You can also see one of the worst hair fails that I have ever done with a hair product. Oh my heart, it was so bad. I'll see you guys in this video or another one. God bless.